Hello friends, welcome to Amit Things. In this video tutorial, we'll be working on the new comment system in YouTube, which you can easily find on the YouTube Studio. So finally, YouTube has moderated their comment system, or you can say that they have added new features for users to easily filter comments. Users in the sense the YouTube channel owners to filter their comments as well as to add a value to them. For example, you want comments with the word network or with the word good, you can easily filter it, or you can check the responses of the users on the basis of subscriber count. With that, you can also check the response that whether a user has responded to your comment or not. For example, if there is a threaded comment and the user has responded to it or not after asking a question. With that, we have other features as well. Let's see one by one. Let's now open our YouTube channel. Now here we'll click on YouTube Studio Beta. Now we'll go to the comment section. Now here you can see by default now they have come up with this option. We will remove it. Now all the comments are visible. There are a lot of comments on my videos. So now we will filter them. I'll keep my cursor here, filter. Now you can see I'll first click on search. Search, let's say for value, I want a comment with good. Now I'll apply it. Here you can see the comments with good is now filtered. It's very good, nice video and good for learning. Good video, thanks. So in the sense we can easily filter it. Now we can filter them more. I'll keep the cursor here. Questions, so it will mainly focus on question mark. So let's say someone has asked a question for me, for example, how to run HTML and CSS through network. So I'll contains question, I'll add the filter. Now adding the filter, you can see the question mark comments are all visible here. Now let's go to the third part, subscriber status. So here we will check the, let's say users have responded, has commented on my YouTube channel, on my videos. So are they subscribed to me or they are not subscribed to me? Those comment, the users who have commented. I'll click on not subscribed to me and click on apply. Let's see what happens. Now you can see all these users have commented on my website, but they haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Now channel member status, is it a part of your channel or not a channel member? You can check it from here. If you will click any of them, let's say a channel member, only those comments will be visible which are member of your YouTube channel. Now the next part is subscriber count. Now let's say you want comments only from users, only from YouTube channels which have more than 1k subscribers. For example, I'll give another example. Let's say the following user is having more than 1k subscriber and this user isn't having it, so only the comments for this user would be visible. So let's see an example. Here I'll set that, I'll set it at greater than 1k subscriber count comments. I'll click on apply. Now these users are visible. These users are individually having more than 1k subscriber, so only these people, only these channels comments are visible. Now the last one is response status. Comments I haven't responded to, I'll click on it and apply. I haven't responded to them. Now I'll again focus on the comments I have responded to. Now I'll click on apply. On clicking on clicking apply, here you can see threaded comments. I have replied to them. Here I have replied to them. In the same way, all these sections are visible. With that, let's say you want to held you want to firstly review a comment before approving it. You can find all of them here, because under the sections I have mentioned under the settings that I need to check every comment initially. Likely spam, for example, if there will be a link in the YouTube video comments, you can easily see them here. It will automatically land here. You can check them, or you can, after checking, you can delete them or you can approve them if it's fine. Okay, so in this video we saw how we can learn about the new comment system in YouTube. With that, we saw all these options, like we can filter the comments on the basis of response, subscriber count. We saw the example of greater than equal to 1k subscribers. With that, if a user is a member or if a user is a subscriber of your website, then it will filter all those comments on the same basis. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. For more videos like this and more videos on programming, kindly subscribe to Amit Things YouTube channel.